So right now I'm using a Blackberry Passport. I will be making today's vlog only on Blackberry Passport. So why I'm doing this? Basically, I was missing using Blackberry. So before I go out, let me do some work. It is still a bit early morning. Pre-workout meal. You want to jump on the trampoline? I'm using my old phone. See, this is my old phone. It is a phone. What do you mean it doesn't look like a phone? It is like a passport. Yeah, that is why I named my channel Blackberry, because I like blackberries. Which way do you want to go? Okay, you lead me. This way, that right thing, we have to go that way. Okay, let us go. Have you been to this park? It's not a park, it's like a jungle. You've been here? Yeah, I can see that. So can we go in? Can we go in the park? Okay. There's nobody here. I remember this park. Very nice. Can I try? Let me try. Okay. Wow, I can also do that. Okay, let me try this one. Full. Ooh, I think it's moving slightly, so you have to be careful. Okay, try it again one more time. Okay, yeah, very good. Try. Go on. It's really good. Very nice. First show me how you do it, then I'll do it. If I want, I can go from here because I have longer legs. I'm taller than you. If you eat your food every day properly, then you will also get very big. I'll hold you. Very good.
Yes, I'm good.
Yeah, you can do it. Can I do it? Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't do that. We can't have all this, all these big things in our garden. America, no, we can have big gardens here in UK as well. We don't have to go to America. For buying a new, bigger house, I need to work. You want a pool? Okay. For buying a new and bigger garden, I need to work really hard. And I need to earn a lot of money. You know what is this? This is a cell tower. Our phone is connected to this. Ooh, it is indeed a mountain. Do you like this park? Don't lie. You were saying that you want to come here. Let us go on top and then we are doing a mini trekking right now. How can you be tired so quickly? Come on. It will be. See, it's only like 100 meters left. Just have to go. Don't rush. Don't rush. If you walk too quickly, you will get tired. So you have to walk. Just walk normally. Okay. When you are climbing on a hill, when you're doing trekking, you have to preserve your energy. Let us go to the apple tree. You're not tired. You're just pretending that you're tired. Come on. We are almost there. We have reached the top. Oh my god, it is indeed the top. We can see America, India, we can see everything from here. Yeah, this is the apple tree over there. I can see apples. Bye bye apple tree. I wanted to go on a bike ride, but then I thought I'll just walk with you. I'm really hungry right now. I like the tires. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. The moral of the story is that if you want to make videos on YouTube, all you need is a decent camera and a good mic. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you tomorrow. Bye.